Welcome to part 7 of the Crochet Sunflower Rug. If you missed any of the other sections of this video tutorial, don't worry, the links for the other sections of the videos will be in the description box for this tutorial. Also, if you are interested in purchasing a PDF copy of the pattern, I will actually put a link to my store where you can purchase one in the video description also. Thank you so much for joining. Have a wonderful day. All right, so for round 18, we're going to chain 3 and then double crochet into the same stitch that we came out of. Then we're going to double crochet into our next stitch and switch over to our green. And then with the green, double crochet into the next stitch and switch back to your blue. And then we're going to double crochet into our next 19 stitches. All right, now for our repeats for this round, what we're going to do is double crochet 2 times into your next stitch, and then double crochet into the next stitch, switch over to your green, and then double crochet into the next stitch, switching back to our blue, and then double crochet into your next 19 stitches. And we're just going to repeat that, going all the way around our entire row for the piece. And then slip stitch into your 3rd chain of your first chain 3 of the round in order to join. And there we are with round 18. All right, for round 19, we are all done with the green, so I went ahead and snipped that off. You can work it until here and weave it in. I'm just gonna work it around into with the string. But for round 19, we're gonna chain 3 and then double crochet into our first stitch we came out of. And then we're going to double crochet into the next 22 stitches. All right, now for our repeats, now because we are, if you lose count somewhere, you can easily find that our first is going to go over where you see the stitch where we did on the previous row, did 2 double crochets into 1 stitch. That top of that first one is we're going to put 2 double crochets and then double crochet into the next 22 stitches. And we're just going to repeat that all the way around for this round. All right, now at the end of the round, be sure to slip stitch into your 3rd chain of your first chain 3 of the round in order to join, and then go ahead and tie off, and then weave in all of your ends. And there we are, we have our gorgeous sunflower rug. All right, and now what we'd want to do with our non-slip mat is pick the side that you want facing down. And I don't know about the one that you have, but the one I have, one side has more little grippy bumps on it than the other. So you want to lay, if yours is like that, the smoother side up against your work. And then simply you take a darning needle and your yarn and just create small little darts along it by sewing it right on. Just do a couple here and there just to keep it from moving around so it's nice and secure right to your piece. And then make sure to, because mine's slightly bigger in one direction, so go ahead and trim off the excess onto it so we don't have to see that. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, be sure to give it a little thumbs up and let me know in the comments also if there's anything that you're wishing to see also for more fun tutorials. And if you haven't yet, be sure to hit that little subscribe button and that little bell right next to it, and you'll get an alert every time I upload a new video. Thank you so much for watching. Have a wonderful day.